I've uploaded a basic sketch here that just tells the motor to go back and forth twice. Some sample code. We've defined all the pins and their location, given them a label. We're writing to the pins, and then down here you can see the pin mode, the labels, and when the output's turned on. And then down here in your loop function, we're looping it. And this is our false, 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 true, 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 which makes it go one direction, and then this makes it go the other direction. This is a Nema 17HS1401S. I've got the enable jumper right here on the drive. You can see that. Stepper motor is just plugged in, and the potentiometer is set at 0.66 volts.